Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today my video is going to be about how to make your home look expensive without spending too much money. The first thing to keep in mind to make your home look expensive is to keep a clean and clutter-free home. Make sure the beds are made in the morning, make sure the dishes are washed, wash your floors, and keep everything neat and tidy. And that is the first step to luxury. The second thing to ensure is to make sure you have enough lighting. If you only rely on overhead lighting, it can look very harsh or gloomy. So spread your lamps around, buy a pendant light, get floor lamps, add more lamps, and add dimmer switches to your lights as well to create that warm and cozy feeling. That'll give your home a very expensive look. Another way to make your home look expensive is by hanging curtains. Having just blinds on the windows can look too mechanical, but nothing screams luxury when you hang curtains in your home. It's very warm and inviting, and if you hang them close to the ceiling, it will make your room appear much larger. And using at least a 1-inch thick rod and very close to the ceiling, and your rooms will appear larger and more spacious, and that'll give a very expensive look to your home. Another way to make your home look expensive is to minimize furniture and accessories. Less is more when decorating. If you have too many pieces of furniture, too many accessories, your room can look too overwhelming and gives it a cluttered look. Less is more, and it will give a very high-end look. Invest in good furniture pieces and go cheaper with accessories, because accessories like pillows and other home accents are easier and cheaper to replace than good quality furniture. Another way to make your home look expensive is to use fresh flowers. Go to your garden, cut some fresh flowers, or go to your local grocery store and buy yourself some fresh flowers and display them in your home. Your home will look beautiful and smell great. To get that high-end look in your home, go with large-scale art. I can't say it enough. Too many small frames on a wall will look very chaotic. Try to look for large-scale pieces and your home will look very high-end, very clean and streamlined. Another way to make your home look expensive is to maximize your space with mirrors. Mirrors and lighting go hand in hand. So go ahead and hang a mirror across a window or across a lamp, and it'll give you the illusion of a larger space. Also, using large mirrors can make a nice impact or a statement in a room and gives the wall a very polished and elegant look. Also, add some metallics in your home. Purchase a silver mirrored tray or some candlesticks or a gold vase. Metallics add some glitz and glamour to your space and makes your home look very, very high-end. So there you have it, guys. I hope I helped you today in trying to make your home look expensive without spending too much money. And I hope to see you again real soon. Thanks for watching.